Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to insert, delete and move worksheet within workbook in Excel. So let's get started. So here when we have to insert worksheet, then go to Home tab and click Insert and Insert Sheet. So sheet has been inserted. And next, if you want to rename the worksheet, then just double click on the sheet or right click here and rename it and type the name and then enter. And next is how to move worksheet. So if you want to move this worksheet, then right click and move or copy worksheet and select move to end and wherever you want to move, and click on this and sheet is moved in end. And next is how to delete the worksheet. So just right click on this and delete worksheet, or you can use this button, delete sheet, right? So thank you.